Hello, Montavilla community. My name is Irina, and I'm here today to talk about traditions. Every year, month of November, we have a tradition to have a hands-on event with OESD designs. And this year, it's all about traveling. So event's name is a Stitch Trip, and you will be making 5 projects in the hoop. So it's all about embroidery. We're featuring beautiful baby lock brother machines and their features. We have expert our own Kimberly Dodson, and what you're going to be making is a beautiful scarf for your trips. You're going to take it on a plane, keep yourself warm. It's going to be beautiful embroidery. You see how light it is? There's no weight to it, so it's brilliant. You're going to make a little bag with beautiful leather for your essentials. You will make a luggage tag, which you have to have, and beautiful card that you will mail to somebody after you stitch it out, and the hat. And the hat will teach you how to actually take the hat and make it flat in the hoop to stitch this design. It will take place in our Milwaukie Creative Center inside of Milan Fabric Store, and we're repeating this event twice. So November 19th and 20th is the first session, November 21st and 22nd is the second session. It's a full 2 days event, so just come and enjoy the atmosphere, company, social life around, food, drinks, treats, everything will be provided. If you're interested in this event, please stop by the store to sign up, or you can do the same online on montavillasewing.com. We're very much looking forward to seeing you soon.